Hey, welcome. It's Mr. Avila here, back for some more kitchen science. Today we're going to be doing a experiment 2.1, which is the mass of salt and water. So make sure that you have your safety goggles on and that you have your apron securely fashioned for this experiment. I'm going to show you the different materials that we need right now and briefly introduce how you're going to do this experiment. So for this experiment, you're going to need the following items. You're going to need your balance, a 250 milliliter graduated cylinder, your bag of table salt, and a test tube that you have 2/3 filled with water. It's a fairly simple experiment, and I'll show you how to go ahead and do this. So one of the things we're going to need to do is we're going to need to zero out the mass of our cap, and we would do that by using this tar function right here, the T. If you go ahead and hit the T button, what that'll do is that'll read the cap of the test tube is 0. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pour your salt in there carefully. You want about 2 grams. All right, terrific. As you can see here, I've gone ahead and I've poured in about 2 grams of salt. Notice that it reads a little bit higher than that. It's okay. Don't obsess too much about getting exactly what it is. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our 250 milliliter graduated cylinder and we're going to place that on there, and we're going to place our test tube with the water in it. And what we're now going to do is we're going to read the total mass, and we're going to record that total mass. Now what I want you to do is you're going to pour your salt from your cap into your test tube, and then you want to shake it up. Let's go ahead and shake that up for about 2 or 3 minutes, and want to make sure that the salt completely dissolves. And then when you're finished, you're going to go ahead and you're going to remass everything. And you want to go ahead and write that value down. And that's the experiment. And here's thanks to my assistant, Robbie. Robbie, say hi. When you're all finished, go ahead and just simply pour your salt water down the sink and rinse it out with lots of warm or hot salt water. Hot water. That'll get rid of the salt water or the salt residual in there. Okay, and once you've rinsed it out, then you're going to go ahead and take that and put it upside down on your test tube rack so that the liquid drips out. You ask your folks or your guardian, they may want you to put a paper towel down here, and you just go ahead and let that dry out. And then when that's done drying, you can put that back into your lab kit.